Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Hawaii. I got to check in early to my room, so I'm here at the beach. I'm really excited for my trip. I'm gonna be here for 4 nights. Tomorrow I'm going snorkeling with turtles on a boat, so I'm really excited about that. So keep watching. This is what the beach is looking like. This is what I got for lunch, my favorite. This is what I got for breakfast. So I'm not snorkeling till 2:30. It's 10:30, so I just decided to come to the beach. It's pretty warm right now, even though it's cloudy. So this is supposed to be the pickup spot where the catamaran boat is coming. I got some cheese factory to go. I got some orange chicken fries, bread, and Oreo cheesecake. Eating breakfast. Second breakfast. It's pretty out here today. Gonna get a cheese pizza. Just got a cheese pizza. Okay, this is my last day going to the beach. It's Saturday, so thanks for watching my vlog. This is what the beach looks like today. It's sunny today.